Struggling with a fill valve that's stuck open or closed? That's a total headache, but fixing it yourself can save you a ton of hassle and cash. Okay, so first off, if your fill valve is stuck open, water keeps running, right? Start by shutting off the water supply to your toilet to avoid flooding your bathroom. Then, flush the toilet to empty the tank and check if there's any debris or buildup messing with the valve. Sometimes just cleaning it out can do the trick. If it's stuck closed, water won't refill the tank, so again, shut off the water and inspect the valve for blockages or damage. You can try adjusting the float arm or float cup. Sometimes they get out of whack and cause the valve to jam. If cleaning and adjusting don't work, it's time to replace the fill valve altogether. When buying a new one, make sure it fits your toilet model and follow the instructions carefully. You'll usually just need a wrench and some patience. Don't forget to turn the water back on slowly and test it a couple of times to make sure everything's working smooth without leaks. One of the biggest issues with fill valves stuck open or closed is ignoring regular maintenance, which leads to mineral buildup or worn parts that jam the valve. Fix this by checking and cleaning your fill valve every few months. Another common mistake is using the wrong type of fill valve for your toilet, which can cause constant problems. Make sure to buy one that matches your toilet's brand and model for a perfect fit. Lastly, over-tightening connections can crack parts or bend components, causing leaks or malfunctions. Just tighten fittings snugly, but don't go crazy with force, and you'll avoid damage. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without all the stress. Plus, it's perfect for contractors looking to connect with real clients and grow their business easily.